Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make Cash App accept payment automatically. If you haven't done this yet, it's important to follow these steps. First, go to the App Store, find Cash App and make sure to update the app. Once the update is complete, open the app. It's good to note that when someone sends you money, whether it's an individual or a business, your Cash App account will automatically accept the payment. You don't need to manually confirm it. To check if you've received money, open the app and go to the bottom right of the screen. Scroll through your activity transactions. Any transaction with a plus sign on the right indicates that money has been added to your Cash App account. For example, if I send $5 to a close relative, they won't need to manually accept it. The money will already be in their account by the time I hit send. Now, instead of focusing on automatic payment acceptance, let's look into enabling recurring deposits. On the app's homepage, tap the bottom left. Scroll down until you find Recurring Deposits. This feature allows you to auto-add funds to your Cash App from your bank. You can enable this feature and it will prompt you to choose how often you'd like to add cash, daily, weekly, or monthly. Let's choose the 24th as an example. You can then set the amount you want Cash App to automatically take from your bank account every 24th or on whatever schedule works best for you. That's how to enable Cash App to automatically accept payments and set up recurring deposits. By the way, if you use the link in the description to sign up to Cash App, we will both get $5. The exact steps you need to take to get your free $5 are in the description as well.